Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Trading Bulls. Today we have introduced the basics of candlestick chart patterns. So let's start. What is a candlestick patterns? In financial technical analysis, a candlestick pattern is a movement in prices shown graphically on a candlestick chart that some believe can predict a particular stock market movement. The recognition of the pattern is subjective and programs that are used for charting have to rally on predefined rules to match the patterns. This is the candlestick chart patterns. This is the real body, open, high, upper shadow. This is the lower shadow, close and low. So this is the body of candlestick pattern. 5 powerful bullish candlestick patterns. So let's start. Bullish candlestick patterns. Bullish reversal candlestick patterns indicates that the ongoing downtrend is going to be end and it may reverse to the uptrend. The bullish candlestick patterns can be single or multiple candlestick patterns. Bullish reversal pattern should form at the end of the downtrend, otherwise it will act just like a continuation pattern. One should confirm the reversal signals gives by bullish reversal patterns with other indicators such as a high trading volume. First candlestick pattern is a hammer. Hammer is a bullish reversal candlestick patterns that occurs at the bottom of a downtrend. This bullish candlestick patterns is formed when the open and low price are almost the same. This pattern should consist of a lower shadow which is twice as long as the real body. This is the hammer. Here is the downtrend and this is form a hammer pattern, again uptrend. Here are the hammer candlestick pattern. This is the hammer candlestick pattern, a downtrend, and this is the uptrend. Piercing patterns. Next, second is a piercing pattern. A piercing pattern is a candlestick patterns that gives us potential bullish reversal signs, and it's formed near the support level and end of the downtrend. This pattern is made of two candlestick patterns. The first one is the bearish candlestick and second is one of the bullish candlestick. The bearish candlestick should have a large real body and second bullish candlestick should be below the low of the previous candlestick and should close above the middle of the real body of the first candlestick. Here are the example of the piercing patterns. 1, 2. This is the piercing patterns. This is the downtrend, suddenly draw piercing patterns. Here are the piercing patterns and go to uptrend. Bullish engulfing. The bullish engulfing candlestick patterns indicate bullish reversal which shows a rise in the buying pressure. These patterns indicate a reversal from downtrend as more buyers enter the market and moves the price up after a long downtrend. The patterns consist of two candles with the second green candle completely engulfing the body of the previous red candles. One should remember when trading with a bullish engulfing patterns, the prior trend should be downtrend. This is the example of bullish engulfing. This is the example of Reliance Industries. Here are formed the bullish engulfing pattern. Downtrend candlestick pattern form the bullish engulfing and go to uptrend. The morning star. The morning star is a triple bullish candlestick patterns which indicate a bullish reversal. As it is formed at the end of the downtrend, it gives us a warning sign that the downtrend is going to be reversal to the uptrend. It consists of three candles: a bearish candlestick, the second one can be either bullish or bearish with a small body, and third is candlestick is a bullish candle. One should remember, when trading with the morning stock pattern, the prior trend should be downtrend. This is the morning star patterns 1, 2, 3. Next, three white shoulders. The three white shoulder pattern is a bullish candlestick patterns occurring at the end of the downtrend and indicating a bullish reversal. These patterns consist of three long bullish candlestick which are green in color and do not have a long shadow. This bullish candlestick patterns signals uptrend reversal because of the strong buying pressure by the buyers. All the three candlestick and open within the real body of the previous candles in the patterns. This is the example of three white shoulder 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Key takeaways: hammer is a bullish candlestick patterns that is formed when the open and low price are almost the same. A piercing pattern is candlestick patterns that gives a potential bullish reversal sign, and it is formed near a support level at the end of the downtrend. The bullish engulfing candlestick patterns indicates bullish reversal, which shows a rise in the buying pressure. Next, morning star. The morning star consists of three candles: a bearish candlestick, the second one can be either bullish or bearish with a small body, and third is candlestick is a bullish candle. The three white shoulders patterns is a bullish candlestick patterns occurring at the end of the downtrend and indicating a bullish reversal. So, 5 powerful bearish patterns. Bearish candlestick patterns. After having a basic understanding of candlestick chart patterns, so we have to discuss about bearish candlestick patterns. So first is hanging man. Hanging man is a bearish reversal candlestick patterns having a long lower shadow with a small real body. This is the example of hanging man. This is the example of hanging man patterns. This is the uptrend, suddenly form the hanging man pattern and fall the downtrend. Hanging man patterns. Okay, next, dark cloud cover. Next, dark cloud cover is a bearish reversal candlestick patterns formed at the end of an uptrend and indicate weakness in the uptrend. These candlestick patterns are made of two candlesticks, the first being a bullish candlestick and second one is the bearish candlestick. As the price rise, these patterns become important for the reversal to the downside. This is the example of dark cloud cover. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the dark cloud cover. 1, 2, 3. This is the uptrend and suddenly form the dark cloud cover and immediately go fall. Bearish engulfing. The bearish engulfing pattern is the bearish reversal patterns which signals a reversal of the uptrend and indicate a fall in price due to the selling pressure by the sellers. This patterns triggers a reversal of ongoing uptrend and as sellers entered in the market and make the price fall. This is the example of bearish engulfing. This is the uptrend, suddenly form the bearish engulfing patterns and immediately stock down. Bearish engulfing patterns. The evening star. An evening star is a candlestick patterns that is used by trader for analyzing when the uptrend is going to be reversed to a downtrend. This candlestick pattern consists of three candlesticks: a large bullish candlestick, a small body candle with a bearish candlestick. Evening star patterns appearing at the top of the uptrend and signals that the uptrend is going to be reversed to be downtrend. This is the example of evening star uptrend and form the evening star patterns downtrend. This is the example. The three black crows, the three crows patterns is multiple candlestick patterns that is used for predicting reversal to the downtrend from the uptrend. It is formed when the sellers exerts various forces and make the prices fall for 3 consecutive days. Traders can take a short position after the bearish candlestick patterns is formed. Traders should take the help of volume and technical indicator for confirming the formation of these candlestick patterns. This is the example of the three black crows, 1, 2, 3. Here is the uptrend and form the three black crows candlestick patterns and immediately start fall down. Key takeaways: hanging man is a bearish reversal candlestick patterns having a long lower shadow with a small real body. Dark cloud cover is a bearish reversal candlestick patterns formed at end of an uptrend and indicating weakness in the uptrend. The bearish engulfing patterns is a bearish reversal pattern which signal reversal of uptrend and indicate a fall in price due to selling pressure. An evening star is a candlestick patterns that is used by the trader for analyzing when the uptrend is going to be reversal to a downtrend. Three crows patterns is a multiple candlestick patterns that is used for predicting reversal to the downtrend from the uptrend. Thank you. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel Trading Bulls. Thank you very much.